Have you ever noticed? The more money you make, the more it somehow disappears. You get a raise, upgrade your life a little, and boom, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. It's not just bad luck. It's something called lifestyle inflation, a sneaky habit that slowly drains your wealth without you even realizing it. One small upgrade turns into 5. And before you know it, your new salary is just funding a fancier version of being broke. But here's the twist. Most people miss one powerful habit that could totally change this game. It's simple, easy to apply, and can flip your money story for good. Stick around till the end, because I'm dropping a bonus tip that's helped thousands escape this cycle without feeling broke or cutting all the fun out of life. Welcome to my channel. We break down personal finance into simple steps. What exactly is lifestyle inflation? It's when your spending increases every time your income goes up. You get a raise, and somehow your expenses grow right alongside it. At first, it feels harmless, like a reward for working hard. But over time, it becomes a habit that keeps you stuck. Think about it, you were totally fine with a basic phone last year. But now, just because you're earning more, you feel like you need the newest iPhone, even if your old one works just fine. That's lifestyle inflation. It convinces you to upgrade your life constantly, whether or not it's actually necessary. Why it's so dangerous, even if you're making good money. So why is lifestyle inflation such a big deal, even when your income is going up? The truth is, more money doesn't always equal more freedom, especially if your spending rises just as fast as your paycheck. You start rewarding yourself with upgrades, a better car, daily takeout, nicer clothes. It feels like progress, but it's just comfort disguised as growth. Over time, this leads to financial burnout. You're working harder, earning more, but your savings barely move and you still feel stuck. Instead of building wealth, you're just funding a fancier version of being broke. And that cycle can keep you trapped for years if you don't catch it early. Common signs of lifestyle creep. Let's talk about the common signs of lifestyle creep, because most people don't even realize they're caught in it. One big sign? Your spending jumps every time your income does. Instead of saving the difference, you start spending it fast. You might also notice you're constantly upgrading. New gadgets, better clothes, fancier car, not out of need, but just because you can now afford them. And here's the clearest red flag. You're earning more than ever, but your savings haven't changed at all. If your bank balance feels stuck, lifestyle inflation might be the reason. What causes lifestyle inflation? A big one is social pressure and flex culture. When your feed is filled with people showing off luxury cars, vacations, and success, it's hard not to compare your reality to someone else's highlight reel. Then there's emotional spending, the silent trap. You work hard, you're stressed, and you tell yourself, I deserve this. Suddenly, every coffee, gadget, or dinner becomes a reward. And finally, there are no clear boundaries. When you don't have a spending plan, your money ends up following your emotions instead of your goals. The result? More income, more spending, and no real progress. How to avoid lifestyle inflation without feeling broke? 1. Set lifestyle upgrade limits. It's totally okay to treat yourself when you earn more. In fact, you should. But the key is to set limits. Try capping lifestyle upgrades at 10-20% of your raise. The rest, funnel it towards savings or investments that build long-term wealth. This way, you enjoy your progress without letting it derail your financial goals. 2. Automate saving before you touch it, the best money habit. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary hits your account, automate a portion into savings or investments. This removes temptation. Whatever's left is guilt-free spending, because you've already secured your future. 3. Audit your expenses monthly. Most people have no clue where their money actually goes. A simple monthly review of your spending, even just 15 minutes, can be eye-opening. Check your subscriptions, impulse purchases, and eating out habits. You'll spot small leaks that add up fast. And once you see it, you can fix it. 4. Delay major purchases by 24 to 48 hours. This is a powerful way to fight impulse spending. Before you buy something big, wait a day or two. That cooling off period lets emotion fade and logic step in. If you still want it after 48 hours, it might be a real need, not just a want in disguise. 5. Focus on experiences, not just stuff. Physical things lose their excitement fast. The new phone becomes normal. The new shoes end up in the back of your closet. But memories last longer. Spending on experiences like trips, quality time with loved ones, or learning something new often brings more happiness and doesn't trap you in the upgrade cycle. Lifestyle inflation isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the right things. When you spend with intention, you can enjoy life today and build wealth for tomorrow. Build real wealth, not just a rich lifestyle. Let's be real. Lifestyle inflation is sneaky, and it doesn't always feel like a problem. You start making more, life gets a little more comfortable, and that feels like success. But over time, those upgrades pile up. And instead of building wealth, you're just maintaining a lifestyle that looks rich, not feels rich. Here's the truth most people never realize. Wealth isn't about what you show. It's about what you keep. Anyone can finance a luxury car or wear designer clothes. But real freedom comes from having money saved, invested, and working for you in the background. The secret? Spend with intention, not emotion. Don't upgrade just because you can. Upgrade when it aligns with your bigger goals. When you live on purpose, you don't have to give up joy. You just stop letting money control your choices. Build a life that actually feels rich, not one that's just trying to look that way for social media. All right, here's the bonus tip I promised you, and it's something that can change the way you spend for life. If you want to beat lifestyle inflation long term, you need to index your spending to your goals. What does that mean? Simple. Every time you're about to spend money, ask yourself, is this helping me get closer to something I truly want? That could be early retirement, buying your dream home, traveling the world, starting a business, or becoming debt-free. When you tie your spending decisions to a clear personal goal, you'll naturally start cutting out the stuff that doesn't matter. You won't need to rely on strict budgets or guilt. Your purpose becomes your filter. This one shift can help you stay focused, feel in control, and finally start using money as a tool, not a trap. Conclusion: lifestyle inflation isn't just caused by bad habits. It's usually the result of unconscious habits, the ones we don't even realize are holding us back. But now that you're aware of it, you've got the power to make smarter choices without cutting joy out of your life. This isn't about sacrifice or suffering. It's about building wealth with intention and strategy, instead of letting your money drift away unnoticed. The goal isn't to spend less for the sake of it. It's to spend better, so you can live free, not just look successful. You've got the awareness now. But here's the real question. Will you let lifestyle inflation keep running the show, or will you start telling your money where to go? If this video gave you a mindset shift, drop a comment and tell me, what's one spending habit you plan to change starting today? And if you're ready to build real wealth, not just look rich on the surface, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel grow and reach others on the same journey. Thanks for watching.